I'm Ben Quinton, CEO of William Newton Hospital, and we'd like to share with you a little bit more about our Central Plant Project. The purpose of the Central Plant Project is to lay the foundation for the needs of the hospital's future, and that includes electrical service, boiler room renovations, and the heating and air conditioning of the building, so that over the next 10 years we will have the infrastructure needed to support us with our growth and expansion initiatives.
Smile, Megan. You're on candid camera. I'm Randy Mayo. I'm Administrative Director of Technology and Support Services at William Newton Memorial Hospital. We replaced the 480 volt three-phase panel. This is also an automatic transfer switch. We're planning on putting an emergency generator in. This panel will automatically transfer when we lose city power to the generator. Plus, it replaced the panel that we had previously that was installed in 1963. One of the components of the Central Plant Project is we purchased a hot water boiler. The hot water boiler allowed us to turn our low pressure steam boilers off in the warm weather months. These large boilers use quite a bit of gas. In purchasing hot water boilers, they're much smaller. We're saving about $1,500 a month in gas. The difference in size, you can tell, it's going to save us quite a bit of money alone. Hello, Danny.
Hey, I'm Danny. I'm the maintenance director here at William Newton Memorial Hospital. Been here for about 2 years. This is our energy management system. We want to maintain comfort levels in the hospital. We also maintain humidity levels in the surgery. This is our boiler house. This is the bread and butter of the hospital. Pretty much everything, all of the utilities, the potable water, the chilled, the steam, all of that's created out here for the hospital. Behind the lockers, we used to have a large chiller that had 1 compressor and 2 fans. It took a lot of electricity to run it, and there was a lot of waste going on because it would just produce pretty much 1 temperature. Since then, we've replaced it with what we call air-cooled floating capacity chillers. If you'd like to step outside, I'd like to show you those. Out here next to our beautiful new parking lot, we've got the air-cooled chillers. These are how we're reducing the electrical usage at the hospital. They have multiple compressors and multiple fans that will come on and go off floating with the load. So if we're up to an 80% load, have 80% of the compressors and fans running. But we're able to back it off where we can only run 1 to 2 compressors or 1 to 2 fans, or they can all come on, and that is helping us control our electrical usage.
Hi, my name is Valerie Madondo. I work here in Central Supply. I've been here for 11 years. I work as the lead tech. The Central Plant Project has really impacted our department in a great way. We are an extension to the OR, and we have to maintain a controlled environment by monitoring the temperature and humidity. In the decontamination room, the prep and pack, and the sterile storage area. Out of range temperature and humidity can lead to non-compliance with PPE, promotion of bacterial growth, and an altered work environment. With our upgrade, our worries of a compromised environment have been eliminated.
Hi there, I am Mike Conover, Director of Cardiorespiratory Services at William Newton Hospital. Been in the business over 20 years. I've been here over 17 at William Newton. It's very stressful for patients to be in the hospital, and if they have a comfortable environment, that makes their stay that much more pleasant just for them and for their visitors. Also, by having an efficient physical plant, it helps us focus more on our job at hand, which is to complete the mission of William Newton Hospital.
I'm Tanya Gibson, the OR supervisor. The Central Plant Project has had a very positive effect on our department. Surgery follows a very specific temperature, humidity, and HVAC guidelines for our department. With our new system, it's much easier to monitor, and we have a much more steady environment. Another aspect is the Central Plant Project did a extensive project on electrical, which helped us have better backup. An example would be when the power goes off, we have a backup generator which comes on usually in about 11 seconds. So if we have surgery going on, we have guaranteed power, which is patient safety.
Hi, my name is Jared Price with Graves Drug Store, and I got involved with the foundation a couple of years ago. The foundation does a lot of great things, from anywhere from bringing new physicians into town to buying new needed equipment for the hospital. And so it's a great way to be active with the hospital, so you can give to the foundation like Renee and I do. And it's a great way to give back and to help all of these things be accomplished through the hospital.
After all that I've showed you here at the hospital is just a small portion of what we've upgraded. With all of your gifts, they make a large difference for the hospital.
Your gifts make a big difference at William Newton Hospital.
Your gifts make a big difference here at William Newton Hospital.
Your gifts
make a big difference.
Make a big difference.
Big difference.
At William Newton Hospital.